What's up, you guys? I'm finally doing one of my most highly requested videos, which is my closet system that is in my beauty room. A lot of people think that this closet system is in my closet or my bedroom. It's not. It's in another room that I made into a beauty room, which I call my lab. So I'm gonna start with this shelf right here, and this is actually a bookcase, and it stops about at this shelf right here, and this top part is called a topper, but this is the Billy bookcase, and I think it's about $50, and it's cheaper to get this bookcase if you're gonna use it for shoes or whatever you want to use it for, but it's cheaper to get this than an actual pack system that'd be like $100 something, $115. So this is better, and I just added the topper so I could get more shoes on it, and it also matches the height now of my other systems, so it doesn't look weird or anything. So yeah, that's the Billy bookcase, way cheaper, and I can put about 4 to 5 pairs of shoes and boots on here. So like these are my black ones at the bottom, but you could barely tell how many there. But yeah, so I can put a lot of shoes on this shelf. I may end up getting another one because I keep getting more shoes. So the next one is the well, both of these are my pack systems. They are 39 inches, and they're the deepest ones. I don't remember the dimensions of how deep they are, but in the first one I have my boots on both sides, so it's pretty deep. And I decided to put a bar on the top of both of these for hanging my coats, my blazers on this one. And this one is used for like my silk satin shirts and stuff. Probably after I do my house tour, I'll end up putting more stuff here because I'm running out of room. And I want to make this as functional as possible, which it is already, but you see how there are spaces in there? See, right now it just looks like it's cute, but I want to push it all together so I could put more stuff together. Like this one is totally fine. But I can also add another shelf. I have another shelf here, but I don't know if I want to put it up there, right up here, to add like hats or something. So yeah, most people have this bar maybe like 2 notches down so they can put stuff on the top, but I wasn't thinking about that at first, and I actually like how it all flows, so I'm not gonna lower it if I add something there because my boots fit perfect there. And I just have this I think my mom found this at the Goodwill, honestly. But yeah, and I have a backpack back there just to add some color, and this ring holder without rings. So the next thing I have, this shelf is also part of the packs. It didn't come with it. I bought it separately. So this was $15. Everything I bought separately. It's cheaper to buy the things separately in some cases than to buy the whole pack system and build it, have them build it for you. You know what I mean? So this basket was about $40, $45, I think, and I got 4 of them, and they actually come with this. I ended up buying these separately because I didn't know if it came with it, but if you're gonna buy these baskets, don't worry about this part. It'll come with it, and it's super deep. It's really deep. I'm gonna turn it to the side so you can see. And I just have like my workout pants and joggers in here. Then I have my workout shorts and shirts in here. And these are my sweatshirts and hoodies, with some of them. And I just use the bottom one for swimsuits and some like lingerie thingies. But yeah, and I have 4, so it's a lot of space in here. And I probably could have like push this up a little bit more so I could put more hoodies and shirts there. But yeah, they're about $45, so about $180 for all 4, which is not bad because this frame is only $115, but this one $50, and this shelf is $15. That bar is probably like $10, honestly. It was really cheap. So on to this one. Like I said, I have the same bar there. I don't know if I'm gonna add something there, but I did put one of my luggages up there. It's just a Vera Bradley luggage. So I got this glass shelf, and I want to say this glass shelf was like $80 or $70. I don't know, I put the exact price in there, but I had a white shelf right here as of like 5 days ago, and I switched it out to this one. So because it looks more clean, and I just put like my purse there and 6 pairs of shoes, so 3 on this side and 3 on that side. And this is the same depth as the other one. And I also got this pull-out jewelry drawer at IKEA. I want to say all 3 of these, they came together, but they can also like come up, so you can like customize it how you want to. You can change the order or whatever, but they were like $80. So I just put like my fun earrings here, gold, neutral. This one's in the car, I forgot to get it out. But some shades and scarf, belts, necklaces, and jewelry. I lost all my watches, so yeah, no watches in here yet. But this came separately as well. This did not come with this. So all 3 of these are separate things, 1, 2, and 3. And I think this pull-out drawer was like $70. They all were like around $70, $80, honestly. So that's that. And on this side, I decided not to have any basket pullouts, so I just have 2 shelves, so $15 each, so $30 for those. And I can still fit quite a bit of shoes here. Put 3 there, 3 there, there. And these, I just put these here. Those are newer, so I'm running out of room, so I may have to get another one of those. I don't know where it's gonna go though, but I might put it behind my wall, behind the door. But this one, same thing. And at the bottom I have those are like church shoes, so I can put things behind it, but I mean, why? You won't be able to see it, so it's like a little pointless. So it's a little area there. And that is my complete closet pack system tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about it, just let me know.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside.